Day One Hot Biters. Welcome back, Melissa here. We are making, as promised, buffalo chicken sandwiches. So they're a little bit panini style, but I wouldn't go so far as to call them a panini, but we are gonna grill them on the tops and bottoms with some ooey gooey cheese inside, and of course that awesome and incredible spice that's happening. And it wouldn't be the best if it didn't have fresh bread. So we're gonna get this all sliced up, get our chicken going, and again, this is 5 ingredients. We have our hot sauce, we have some mayonnaise. Instead of blue cheese, because my family doesn't really love blue cheese, I love blue cheese. I'm the only one that loves blue cheese, so I've made an alteration to the traditional blue cheese buffalo mix that's happening with this, and I'm gonna use some really creamy, really delicious mozzarella cheese. 5 ingredients, boom, 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 400 calories. You knew I was going there. So this is a classic bar food in a very healthy package. So we're not cutting any corners in flavor. You're gonna notice that if you guys make this, that all the flavor is there. Let's get these cooking really quick. We're gonna get our chicken going. Okay, really easy. We have our baking sheet, cooking spray. I'm using chicken tenders here. Just lay them out. We're not gonna salt or pepper these because we're gonna have so much flavor coming with our hot sauce. So we're gonna stick these in the broiler for about 4 minutes. We're gonna cut 2 slices of our fresh bread. Half a cup of our shredded mozzarella and about 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and we're going to just mix these together. Okay, our chicken is cooked. I'm going to put it in a bowl. We're going to add our hot sauce. Let's build our sandwich. 2 slices of bread. Our cheese mixture. Slices of bread. We're going to top it with some chicken. We're going to add our top, and we're going to take it to the frying pan. Hot off the press, let's cut him open. Look at that. And there you go. Quick, 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 quick. We pull this together. I'm gonna hold it up ooey gooey double-decker style. And let's give this a bite real quick. Oh, it's gonna be so cheesy. See? That's what I'm talking about. That's the crazy thing about this sandwich is it tastes like there's butter in it. It tastes like it's drowning in butter, which butter tastes so good, and there is no butter in it at all. The truff sauce, which you can use any buffalo sauce that you want, but that truff sauce, I'm telling you, is so good. the mozzarella cheese, the mayonnaise, and the chicken is super tender. So that is one hot bite you can put together super quick for a lunch or a dinner. Thank you guys so much for being here. If you haven't already, please subscribe down below. You don't want to miss any of our one hot bites that we have going on here 2 times a week. And Mondays are kind of fun. And Monday we're gonna make an appetizer, a fancy, easy, incredible appetizer. You're gonna want this for the summer, you're gonna want it for the holidays. They are coming up really quickly. So I will see you guys on Monday for the killer appetizer.